Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a TAMSY unboxing. Yay! Last month's video went over really well, so I decided to go ahead and do it again this month. And it has been 1 year since I started working with TAMSY. Thank you so much to the TAMSY team for continuing to work with me. For anyone wondering, no, this video is not sponsored. They did not ask me to do this. I just enjoy doing these type videos. But all of the links are affiliate, so I just want to put that in there. Every time that you make a purchase through TAMSY, a portion of that is donated to feeding hungry kids around the world, and their goal is 10 million mouths fed. That is so cool. So everything will be linked down below. Don't forget to check out all the links. And without further ado, let's get into this TAMSY haul. Okay, so packing slip. Okay, so this is one that I picked out myself. So I picked out a couple of them, and then they threw in a few others for me to style and share with y'all. So this first one that I chose is a floral print top. How pretty is that? I could see wearing this with either white pants or black pants. Of course, you could wear it with jeans or a skirt too, but I just kind of have this envision of wearing it with my white flowy pants. And I'm so excited to be able to style this. I think that this is just so pretty. There are other colors for this particular blouse as well. I'm just a black and white type person, and so I'm naturally drawn to that, but there are other colors. Okay, up next, I picked this out. It's a kaftan. Y'all know I love wearing these to the beach. Let's see. They make that's really loud. Okay. These make great bathing suit wraps to wear to the beach. Usually they're really, oops, it tore. Okay. They're really lightweight, but I love this ombre color, or this ombre blue, where it goes from the light, like seafoam kind of mint green, and it fades into this teal blue at the bottom. Now this is full length. Yeah. So, and of course it's not gonna look like much, but a bunch of material right now. So so be sure to stay tuned for the end of the video, and I will do the styling portion. And then next is, okay, so those two I picked out. These are the ones that the TAMSY team sent my way to style up and photograph and stuff. Okay. This is, it looks like another kimono, or not kimono. Did I call that a kimono? It's a kaftan. I'm sorry if I missaid that. These bright colors. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at this pink. Oh, that hot pink. All of these colors just go so well. Oh, this is a tank. What is this? Is this a dress? Where's that paper? I'm so sorry, I misspoke twice already. This is not a kaftan. That is a kaftan. This is a dress. Okay, so cool. Oh, this is gonna be perfect. Yes, look at this. Oh, I already know what shoes I can wear with it. So pretty. Look at the patterns. And it has this like overlay on the front. I love the pops of green. Awesome. Okay, and then the next one up. I think this is a dress as well, only because I read it on that paper while I was reading that one. And I'm pretty sure I have the purple one similar to this that I had got last year. How fun is this? Okay, so this, let me get this little tissue out of here. Oh, what is that? Okay. These, also, I just want to point this out. It comes with a disclaimer to like not wash things with this because it will bleed. So that's really handy to have. Look at how pretty the green is. Oh, I know it's not, see, I know you're not able to see much right now, but look, it's a tie-dye ombre dress with oh, look at this. Look at that. Hang on, if I can hold it right. Look at the embroidery detail. And this runs all along the bottom of the dress. It also is right here along the neckline and around the arms. Oh, so pretty. I love that lime green color. That's so pretty. Okay, and the last one. What is this? It's a print. Let me get my paper back. Let's see, bell. Oh, this is a dress too. Okay, bell sleeve tiered smock dress. Okay, so let's open. All right, let's see. So cute. It almost kind of looks like cow print from a distance, but then it's like, I don't know, it's like a mixture. I don't know what print this is. It has the pleating at, where are we at? It has pleating at the bottom. As a V-neck. Let's see, the sleeves seem to be pretty wide with a bell at the end. Awesome. So cool. I think I'm going to have to, is this a one size? I think this is a one size. Yes, this is a one size. I'm going to have to get a belt to cinch this in. But yeah, thank you so much, TAMSY. Okay guys, that's all of the pieces from the package. Now let's go style them up.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together. To go on together. Moonlight and fire, dancing closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a